Hi, I'm Dr. Jamie Fairchild, owner of Sunny Hills Pediatric Dentistry and Orthodontics. I treat infants, children, and teens. I needed a new fish tank for our waiting room, and I came across the fish gallery. Within a week, we had our old tank taken out, our new one installed, and they even came up with a really cool porthole design where you could actually see the fish tank from the other side of the wall. And the kids have loved it. The parents have given us a lot of positive feedback, and I couldn't be happier.